Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, this is Rachel from Kalkine Studios. You're watching the IPO Corner, a weekly show dedicated to IPO market performance and listing companies under the spotlight. Now, before investing in shares, investors need to understand the business prospects and operations in detail, such as future risks and returns. This can include changing the IPO price or issuance date as the companies see fit. On that note, let's take a look at the proposed IPO listing scheduled for the week, according to the ASX website. First on the list is Nightingale Intelligent System. Now, they develop and sell drones for commercial applications. Their intelligent robotic aerial security service allows customers to patrol and protect facilities. Nightingale Intelligent System has undertaken a $6 million public offering at a 22 cents issue price. According to the ASX, they plan to list on the 18th of November at 12 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time. Next on the list is Tasman Minerals, a minerals exploration and development company focused on identifying, acquiring and developing battery, critical base and industrial mineral projects throughout Australia. Since incorporation, the company has entered into an agreement to acquire several tenements comprising 5 separate projects in Western Australia and Queensland. Tasman Minerals has undertaken an $8 million public offering at a 20 cents issue price. According to the ASX, they plan to list on the 21st of November at 12 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time. And lastly, Toubani Resources is primarily focused on the development of the Kubada Gold Project in southern Mali, a low capital and low operating cost gold project with the potential to produce more than 100,000 ounces of gold per year. Toubani Resources has undertaken a $6.5 million public offering at a 20 cents issue price. According to the ASX, they plan to list on the 22nd of November at 12:30 p.m. Sydney time. Well, it's time to wrap up the show, but before investing in IPOs, remember to check the company's credibility and track record. Risk appetite can vary through investors. They need to consider factors such as analyst views, brokerage ratings, industry outlook, financial performance and peer reviews before making an investment decision. It's also important to note that companies can change the IPO price or the issuance date as they see fit. Well, that's all for now for the IPO Corner show. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We've got more shows for you with updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Rachel signing off for now.